Hey everyone, this is John with the Enphase training team. Today I want to talk about torque specs specifically on the combiner 6C. There are two main reasons why you must torque all your wires that you land in here. Number one is for safety. Loose wires can come loose, touch other components, and cause arcs within the actual unit itself. And the second is going to be, it's a requirement from Enphase for proper operation to have everything torqued correctly just so that the unit functions as it should. So first thing you're going to want to do is locate the torque specs for the variety of areas where you're landing wire. Today, for the example, we're going to torque the back feed lugs. So we have the line 1, line 2, and neutral. So over here on the door, we have multiple stickers. This door sticker up here on the right is going to have all your torque values. So I'm looking for the back feed lugs, which is going to be the top one here, and it specifies it needs to be 50 inch-pounds. So I take my torque driver, make sure that I'm dialed in to 50, which I am. Then I'm going to go ahead and torque each one of these to make sure they're securely tightened. Give a little tug test. That is how you properly torque using a torque driver within the combiner. Now you're going to follow this as you will down on your ground bar, your neutral bar, and a variety of other places where you land your wires. Now for the breakers, I want to talk about those. So breakers now will have a specific torque rating on the side of the breaker. So this is an Eaton BR breaker. If you look here on the side of it, it's going to have the wire sizing. So depending on what you landed, go ahead and find that. And then it's going to show the inch-pounds right on the side of that too. So whatever breakers that you land, make sure that you follow the guidance on that brand as well. And I just want to reiterate one more thing too, is the safety aspect of doing this. So again, loose wires will cause thermal events on those terminals. They'll heat up, causing the unit not to function properly. And then again, it potentially can come down, hurting someone, touching other components, and actually arcing within the unit, which we do not want. So I hope you found this video valuable, and we'll see you next time.